Hello guys, this is my FX. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use a trend line to make profits. So pretty much, it's just a trend line strategy. So this trend line strategy has been widely used by many, and it's one of the strategies that I use as well. Yes. So three things that I want you to look out for with this strategy is one, you're looking for, or rather two things. You're looking for a market that is in a upward motion or going up. Then you're also looking for a market that is going down in a downward motion. That's a downtrend. You're not looking for a ranging market. For this strategy, the ranging market doesn't apply. Yeah. So for an uptrend, what you're looking for is the market to be forming new lower highs and new higher highs in an uptrend. Then in a lower trend, a downtrend rather, what you are looking for is the market to form lower lows and the lower highs. So what we mean is this. Let me just move my screen to the left. Okay, so what I mean is something like this. I'm pretty sure there are others that are just new to trading, and perhaps they don't know what a downtrend or an uptrend is. So a downtrend is pretty much like something like this. The market will be like mm, there, like that, going down. You see? So that's a downtrend. Sorry for that. Excuse me. Yeah. So for an uptrend is the opposite of a downtrend. So the market will be going like this, something like this. So how you draw your trend line for this strategy in a uptrend, yeah, is that you draw your trend line at the bottom of, or rather the bottom and the tip of the lower lows. So here is what I mean. See, this is a tip and this is a lower low. So it should be down like this. You see? Then for an uptrend, your trend line should be at the tip of the higher highs. You see? Something like that. Then the other thing, I said you are looking for an uptrend or a downtrend. These are two things. Then the third thing that you're looking for is a break of structure, because this strategy can only work or be applied if there's a break of structure. If the market wants to start going up, if it was in a downtrend, or if the market wants to start going down if it was an uptrend. So what I mean is this: we saw that this was the market was in downtrend. So what the market does if it wants to start uh, going up, yeah, the market, we see that it's continuing. So the market breaks the structure like that, then it retests the previous uh, support, I mean resistance, sorry, which is now being retested as the new support for a new trend which is now up. So the market starts going up like that, you see. So Please, I want you to get me very clearly here. So this break of structure, or this retest here, it shouldn't it shouldn't go beyond the previous low. You get me? It shouldn't go beyond the previous low, and uh, sometimes the the retest might even reach the same the same level as the previous low, which is okay. It's just okay. If the market goes down to the previous low as in the same level, yeah, it's still fine. But if it breaks the previous low, then just know that the breakout that we noted here, it wasn't a real one. It was just a fake breakout. Perhaps maybe the banks were trying to route some traders, retail traders, right? So that's what happens. Then the other thing is that this breakout sometimes doesn't really reach the previous low. Rather, it forms a lower high. I mean, really not a lower high. A lower low which is higher than the previous lower low. You see, it forms a lower low that is higher, this one here, than the previous low. You see, that is an indication to you to say the market is about to go up. Then what happens that you enter, you put your trade, let's say after the market has retested and you are sure that it has retested here. You have seen the retest, and to confirm the retest here, what happens that what follows after the retest here is some bullish engulfing patterns of some sort. Yeah, some bullish, though it doesn't happen often. Yeah, it does happen. Sometimes you might not get the bullish, but you see that the bulls will be consistent, will be pushing the market up. Then when you go on a hard time frame, you see that the candle is just one, it's big one, bull candle, bullish one. So that what happens. Then in a downtrend, in an uptrend, the opposite also it's there, is true. So what I just explained here in a downtrend similarly applies even for an uptrend. So the market to do what? It will break the structure. Sorry, let me just delete this. Sorry. So the market, where is that? Okay, yeah. So the market will break the structure, then retest the previous support, which is now being retested as the new resistance, then start going down like that. So after the market has retested the new resistance here, then you can enter with the sell. So how you do it? Pretty much simple. I'm sure you know what to do there. So you put your stop loss above, maybe above the previous low, I mean the previous high, or uh, the same uh, the same or just the same line as the previous high. You put your stop loss there. That's if, again, if the market didn't retest didn't reach the previous high. That's when you put your stop loss at the previous high. And then, yeah, for your take profit, what will determine your take profit is the previous levels, market levels. So for the market levels, of course, there was this, that you see again. Yeah, was this one. So before you even start trading, you need to make sure that you identify your levels, the key levels in the market, because you are sure that that's where the market is most likely to retest, even changing direction. The market changes direction at some key levels which are support and resistance. So yeah, so having said that, I'm going to show you examples of this strategy. Okay, what do you have? Let's see. So this is New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. So yeah, is this, you see? Actually, I drew that. You see, this is a 4 hour time frame. It's a 4 hour time frame. Let me just zoom out a bit like that. Hmm. So you see, the market was in a downtrend. The market was in a downtrend like that. To retested this resistance, it went down. We tested the same resistance down, same resistance down. Then look what happens here. You have this bullish babu. Yeah. Then we have a retest with a red candle, the bearish candle. Then what we see after the retest on the trend line, which is this side, it was our resistance. Now here it is being retested as our new support for this pair. So what do we see? What we see is that there's a change in market direction. The market went all the way up, skyrocketed. Okay, yes, pretty much that. Let me show you on a lower time frame. I'm sure maybe, yeah, you see how the retest here formed. The retest here, you see how the retest was formed. The retest was clear. It was very much clear. It was very much clear, the retest. You see, the market was going down, down, forming series of higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher low. Then what did you see? There was a break of structure. After that break of structure, you you see that there's that retest. Then the market went all the way up. Then let me see if I'll have some examples. Let's see if I have other examples. Sorry, what's this? God, okay, let's do that. Delete, delete this, delete. Okay, let's see. Hmm. The market forms something. Okay, we have another example here. See, it's a daily time frame. So the market is see the tip here. This is an uptrend. See the market retest here. Then there's a break of structure here. Then the market went all the way up near to this new resistance. Then it started going down. So the other example, actually, uh, there are many examples. There are many examples. You see, there are many examples, even on a lower time frame or a higher time frame. You see examples actually. All these what you're seeing here, they are all examples because the market goes up and down. Okay, let me look for another pair. Please, by the way, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, as I'll be dropping videos similar to this one. Uh, yeah, be sharing ideas. Pretty much that. Thank you. Okay, let's go to a 4 hour time frame. See, okay, 2 hour time frame. See what happens. Okay, let's go. All right, yeah, here's another examples. So the market here, we see that the market was in a downtrend. You see, the market retested here. This was a high, 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 high. Then a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Then we see a break of structure. Then we see a retest. What they say about the retest? The retest shouldn't go below or beyond the previous low. So we are cool if the retest happens above the previous low, which should be maybe somewhere here, or just at the same level as the previous low. We are cool. But if it breaks the previous low, then it will be true to say that this was a fake breakout, and let's say maybe the banks or these financial institutions just wanted to clear out some retail traders out of the market. Yeah. So this is what happens with this trade. So please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I humbly request that you do so. Yeah. So there are many examples with this one, and many examples. Like I said, it is a strategy that many traders, these big traders, they use this strategy to make a living out of. You see, you see, you see this, you see. It's something that uh, many people use actually. You see, there's this lower low. Is we are going lower, a, a lower high, another lower high. We see there's that break of structure. We see a retest. What happened next? The market went down. Then what we noted is that after the market formed this higher high, the market went down to this point, then couldn't break this higher high, and it formed a double top. That was also an indication to say the market was about to change direction. That's what happened here. And what we see here is it's a triple bottom of some sort here. A triple bottom. So we have this retest here, another one here, another one here. So also tell us that the market is about to change direction. And look, look what happened. Look what happened. Yeah. So even here, what we see is that the market was going. The market. Uh, this is my last example. The market was going up. Now for this one, we haven't yet like we didn't see a clean retest. So hear me clearly, guys. This strategy, most times you see a clean uh, retest, but in some instances it doesn't happen. What you see that the market will just go down, 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 like what happened here. So, but for it, the market just doesn't just go down. It will create some form of a breather, like this one here. This to me it's something that I call this as a breather. So why does this happen? When you use your what's this your uh, when you use your moving average, you find that this is where a crossing happens. So guys, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. and have a lovely night. And my NTFX checking out.